Hey guys, welcome back. We got another package in the mail, this time by PBYMT. So this is supposed to be a tarp for my X3, two-seater tarps. I'm gonna try to be delicate there, opening it up. I don't want to cut the tarp. What's nice about a tarp is if you don't have an enclosed trailer, and you're hauling this thing down the highway, especially in salty conditions, road salts and all that, I think you want a tarp. But more, it's the sun. The sun just eats the plastic if you don't have an enclosed trailer, or you just store it at the camping, like, and stuff like that. Basically, you're gonna eat all your plastics are gonna eat up in no time, and it's just everything fades out. Everything doesn't look the same, and it doesn't take long. A couple of years, just put a tarp on it and see the discoloration of your tarp, what it's gonna look like in a couple of years. And just imagine the leather, the fake upholstery leather inside and everything that comes from the OEM, what it's gonna look like after a year or two. And everything gets brittle and more weak and everything, so. All right, plastic within plastic. Okay. And then the storage, like a storage bag for the whole thing. All right. Okay. And then what's this here? Oh, okay. But they give you an even bigger bag to put everything in, because normally probably once it's out and all unfolded, they'll probably never fit back in here. But I'll see. But it's got a nice bag. So the test is, I got a snorkel kit, I got lights sticking out, I got extended fender flares, I got side door mirrors, extended fender flares in the front, a light bar on top, and big tires and everything. And I only got the rock climber or the mud runner front bumper, so that's not going to take up too much room. So let's see, having all these accessories on the outside, the extended fenders, the big tires, the snorkel kit, the light bar on top, if it fits and covers everything. You're going to watch me and the wife. Oh, nice reflective. Okay, put this together and do it so it goes fast for you guys to watch this, and then we'll catch you guys in a minute. All right guys, so this is basically the storage bag they give you, because there's no way it's gonna fit back into this unless you want to take your time folding it. But just loosen it. Start with the box of the side by side, because it'll be the easiest way to get it out of the package. You don't want to get it dirty on the ground and all that. Just pull it out of the bag. I didn't try to fold it or anything, I just stuffed it in there. So if it does fit, you just try to stuff it. And then basically, I'm just going to fold it down. What's nice about this is it's rain resistant and everything. And the reflective corners at night, if you park it with a dark bag, and then you can back into it. And this is easy doable by yourself. It takes a couple of seconds. I just wanted to show you the reality, but it was, if you're not watching at this point. But as you know, that it's easy to set it up. The four reflective corners, they go where the tires go, so it's not complicated, and you go to the back end, so just set yourself up to go in the corners. As you can see, corner, and then really simple. here, huh? There you go. Just bring it, you can see the stripes over the corner, over your tires. And then just pull it right underneath your tire, and then snug it from the back. Same thing for the front. There we go. Same thing happens in the back, and he's got these like elastics in the corners, so just snug right underneath it. So no problems there. Just grab the elastic from the other side, and voila. So you got reflective at each corner. You're protected 100%. If you got real wind, just throw the straps. I'll show you in a second how to throw the straps across. And that's it. So, and they go right down to the ground with the 32s. Like exactly right down to the ground. Like you can pull the slack off of it and get it all, and it goes right down. So it's protected at 100%. So yeah, just to put the straps on. So 2 straps are easy. Just grab a broom and go to the other side of the machine with the broom. And then grab your strap. And then basically a buckle that locks. So I guess I should have put these on first. Oops. So basically just put it in the one side and then go through the other side. And that's it. And that'll hold it, as you can see. And then lock her into place. And then you can basically just pull it tighter. And that's it. So repeat for the back as well. Grab the broom if you don't want to, because you can't throw that, it's too late to throw. So just grab your broom and throw the broom to the other side. And then check out where your broom came out. And the strap came with. And then just repeat again. Unclip it. Stick it through the far one. Bring it back into the other one. And then it locks. Put your other connection. Tighten it with whatever you want. And there you go. It's pretty tough tarp. It's not heavy, but it does the job and it's reflective. And you'll protect your expensive toy. So it's a nice, I don't know, come take a look with me here. It basically, light bar, everything, covers all good. Big tires, well, 32s. Snorkel kit doesn't matter. The lights in the corner doesn't matter. So basically, yeah, it's all good. So thanks again for watching. I'll put the link in the description below. And if there's a discount code for this tarp, I'll put that on there as well. And then you can get these on Amazon. So I'll put the link and everything on there. So appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks again. We're getting up there in the numbers, so appreciate it. For me, it's never thought I'd get there. And thanks again for watching. And this is a very nice product and an easy install. Very easy install. So yeah, no complicated there at all. So thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next video. And just check the link in the description below. So bye for now, guys, and catch you later. Stop zooming in, Jake. All right, bye.